So most Linux systems have a /user/local subdirectory. Local refers to things that are specific to the local machine. In other words, if a particular program isn't installed on all Linux systems by default, then it represents something that is additional to that particular local machine. So most third-party programs and utilities should be installed under this /user/local subdirectory.
That's right. Now, there are really quite a few subdirectories under the /user local subdirectory. Two of them are /user local/source for the source code files and /user/local/bin for the binaries. Now, the make utility will usually put a newly compiled binary in the /user local bin directory. With Linux, you can typically issue 4 commands to compile, link, and then install a program. /configure, make install, and make clean.
Configure is usually an extremely long and hideously complex shell script that hopefully the program's author generated to make your compiling experience easier. It basically checks out your system to see what you have and where it is to make sure that it has everything it needs.
That's right.
Now, I've also seen this same type of script given the name of the program or driver with a .sh extension, for example, myprogram.sh, instead of configure. However, such scripts are no guarantee of a successful compile. Such a script may also create a thing called a makefile that is used by the make utility in the next step.
Now, the make utility is what does the actual compiling and the linking. So here, if this is where it's going to crash, this is where it's going to bomb, right? Now, we're going to make install, and it puts the compiled binary file in the proper subdirectory, /user/local/bin. Make clean cleans up temporary files that were generated by the compiling and linking processes.
Vi is considered more than just a text editor. It is a modal application. It contains 2 modes, commands and text editing. When you open a file with Vi, it will start with command mode. To enter the editing mode, or what we will be calling the insert mode, you press the letter I, and then you can start editing the text. The escape key will return you to command mode, which in this state will interpret your keystrokes as commands.
So here's something to consider. There are many clones of Vi. And the most known one is really probably the Vim, which stands for Vi Improved. Now, Vi cheat sheets can be found on the internet to teach you many different tricks to use with this great application.